Easydea USB 3.0 Hub 2.0 Hub Multi-USB Splitter 4/7 Port Expander Multiple USB 3 Hub with Power Adapter USB 3.0 Hub with Switch for PC. Specifications. Brand name, Easydea. Interface type, USB 2.0. Ports, 4. Function, none. Standard, USB 2.0. Length, 104 mm, 164 mm. Package, yes. Model number, USB 2.0 Hub USB 3.0 Hub Splitter. Certification, CE, ROSH. Plug standard, none. Compatible, Windows XP, Vista, 7 August 10 and Mac OS, Linux. Color, black, white. Product status, stock. Function 1, USB Hub, USB 3.0 Hub, USB Hub 3.0, USB Splitter. Function 2, Hub USB 3.0, Multi-USB, USB Port, USB Hub. Function 3, USB Hub with Power Adapter, USB 3.0 Hub for PC, USB 3 Hub. Function 4, USB Port Expander, USB Multiple, USB Hub 2.0. Function 5, USB 3.0 Hub, Hub USB 3.0, Powered USB Hub, Port USB. Function 6, Port USB, USB 3.0 Splitter, USB Splitter 3.0. Function 7, Multiple USB, USB Hub 3.0 with Power Adapter, USB Multi. Function 8, Switch USB, Multi-USB 3.0, Mini USB Hub. Pictures overview. Price, $2. Check description for purchase link. Thanks for watching.